Can using LMAO affect my professional or academic reputation?
Hello everyone, and welcome to our discussion today about the use of text language, specifically LMAO, in professional and academic environments. In the era of constant digital communication, it's important to understand how language use can shape our reputation. Could saying LMAO potentially affect your professional or academic standing? Let's delve into this.
What does LMAO mean?
Before we go any further, let's clarify what we mean by LMAO. It's an acronym that stands for Laughing My Ass Off. It's a common term in text language used to express extreme amusement. However, because of its colloquial nature and informal usage, it may not be suitable for all contexts.
When is LMAO inappropriate?
Just like any language usage, context is key. In casual conversations with friends, using LMAO is likely acceptable. But in a professional or academic setting, it might come off as inappropriate or disrespectful. Communicating in these environments often requires a more formal tone, which typically excludes the usage of internet acronyms and slang. The overuse or misuse of LMAO could potentially leave an impression of unprofessionalism or immaturity.
Could LMAO affect my reputation?
In the wrong context, LMAO could potentially harm your reputation. If you're using it in emails to your boss, in professional meetings, or in academic papers, it can portray you as someone who lacks communication skills or professionalism. That being said, language norms are constantly evolving, and some environments are more relaxed about this than others. Always be sure to understand the communication expectations in your specific setting.
How can I use language appropriately?
To ensure you're communicating appropriately, it's a good idea to observe how others in your environment communicate and follow suit. If you're unsure, it's always better to err on the side of formality. Use complete sentences, proper grammar, and avoid slang or acronyms until you're certain they're acceptable in that context. In conclusion, while LMAO is a commonly used expression in informal communication, it may not always be suitable for professional or academic contexts. The potential impact on your reputation hinges on the context and environment in which you're communicating. So, remember, when in doubt, keep it professional. Thank you for watching, and we hope this discussion has been helpful.